This is BBC Two. We have an emergency, please stand by. There seems some Tesla robots who have gone into evil mode and poses a threat to human life. If you see a Tesla robot, call the police right away, if not results be injured to death. If you have a Tesla robot, if the robot's on, get a hammer and smash it into bits. If the robot's off, hide as long as you can till he spots you. We now live in an unsafe world. Normal programming has been suspended due to the Tesla robots and their evilness. Stay tuned to this channel for more updates. What the fuck was that?